Today I am going to show you exactly where I get the words for these word studies, because maybe some of you don't know. I think the majority who watch my channel are believers. I don't get a lot of negative comments, so I really don't know. But it is good to show you exactly how I put these together. And I have shown before on camera this concordant version. And in the back, you've got the keyword concordance. This is where I pull out the words. Actually, if you look at the front part here, I'm going to go right to the front part here. There's an introduction and a table of contents right there, and it gives you exactly how to use it, how to use this concordance, and where it was first put out, when I should say. It was first printed in 1947 as a companion to the 1944 revised international edition of the concordant version. So it's quite old, quite extensive, and really good as a tool of study, as a tool to bring out these words. Sorry. I have my copy, of course. And this is how I put them together on paper. This is the next one I'm going to do here. Clean, clear, cleanse. And there you go. There are the Greek. This is the Greek from the English. And then we have the English elements, which is downlift or downlifted. Downlift eyes. The concordant definition: clear of transparent objects or conscience. We'll start with the word clean. 1 Timothy 1:5. Now the consummation of the charge is love out of a clean heart and a good conscience and unfeigned faith. 2 Timothy 2:22. Now youthful desires flee, yet pursue righteousness, faith, love, peace, with all who are invoking the Lord out of a clean heart. Romans 14:20. Now on account of food demolish the work of God. Not on account of food demolish the work of God. All indeed is clean, but it is evil to the man who with stumbling is eating. Titus 1:15. All indeed is clean to the clean, yet to the defiled and unbelieving nothing is clean, but their mind as well as their conscience is defiled. The word clear. 2 Timothy 1:3. Grateful am I to God, to whom I am offering divine service from my ancestors with a clear conscience, as I have an unintermittent remembrance concerning you in my petitions night and day. 1 Timothy 3:9. Having the secret of the faith in a clear conscience. Now the word cleanse. 2 Corinthians 7:1. Having then the promises, beloved, we should be cleansing ourselves of every pollution of the flesh and spirit, completing holiness in the fear of God. Ephesians 5:26. That he should be hallowing it, cleansing it in a bath of water, with his declaration. And the final one here, Titus 2:14. Who gives himself for us, that he should be redeeming us from all lawlessness, and be cleansing for himself a people to be about him, zealous for ideal acts.